That's good.
Yeah, that ginger burning my throat. Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today's video is going to be a juice with me video. I hope you guys enjoy. So my special guest, my husband True Hicks. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. So he's going to show me how to put the juicer together because he knows how to do it better than I do. Excuse the noise outside if you can hear the men cutting the grass. Awkward.
Hey, that's all right. So we are putting together. Should I say the name of it?
You can. NutriBullet.
NutriBullet. This contraption down like that. Oh, you put this on.
Oh. Turn the right way.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then you do this?
Yeah.
Okay. See, y'all, we all work together, and even Dionne knew how to put it together. She showed me how to put it together. This is an amazing time. Wow. Yeah, now we're about to do this juice, and this juice is gonna be so good. So we have some beets, carrots, ginger, celery, and orange, all from the farm. You gotta have this locked up. So you just look down, come to a carrot.
Carrot and
Celery.
drink it now because it's fresh. How is the ice sticking up? Now, how is the ice sticking up like that when all I did was pour some water in there? That's amazing. It's sticking up like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
That little stick right there. So I'm gonna take. He's gonna get 2 cubes of ice. I'm gonna get 2 cubes of ice. And guys, beet juice is really, really good for your blood pressure and everything. Celery is good for your blood. Carrots is good. Oranges is good, and ginger is good for digestion. Guys, look up the benefits of beets, orange, carrots, ginger, and celery. And when you juice, you can come up with whatever you want to, whatever recipe you want to come up with, and just juice whatever you want to juice. So, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. We can add a little bit of water to it. We're gonna add a little bit of spring water to it. And just pour it in there a little bit. That little hole right there. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, girl. Shake it, Miss Trinidad, don't break it. And then what Mark told Miss Trinidad at that time.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Look good too. All right. Now we're gonna take a straw.
I'm gonna put a straw.
You don't want a straw?
Mm-hmm.
I want a straw. Take a straw. This juice is going to be nutrients to our body, strength, love, peace, nourishment, cleanse, detoxify, and just healthy overall. Cheers.
Cheers.
Taste. Ooh.
That's good.
Yeah, that ginger burning my throat. Because we use a whole thing of ginger, but it's good. It's good for you.
Mm-hmm. This is it. This is a true drink right here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, guys, so this concludes the end of this video. That's TRUHICKS Hicks, and I will have his information posted here. So, guys, make sure just whenever you're trying to do better overall, taking better care of yourself, it's nice to go out to different places and get certain items, but it's also nice to do it at home as well. That way you know exactly what you're getting.
Get it from the garden.
And get it from the garden. And juicing is really, really good. It's really good for the body. And we are new to this.
Get it from
However,
the garden.
we are true to this because we really want, we really in the process, in the mindset of taking better care of ourselves.
So we ain't new to this. We true to this.
This is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. Also, guys, make sure you comment and let me know if you do juice, and if so, what is your favorite juicing recipes?
And shout out to
NutriBook. Wishing y'all a their peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great, and as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.
Peace.